Look at Mama. We're going to make chocolate chip cookies. Say hi.
Hi.
Can you say it in Spanish? Say hola.
Hola.
Hola, friends. Can you say hi, friends? Okay.
Hola.
We're going to make chocolate chip cookies and Isabella's going to make them. Right, Isabella? Yes. Now you see these little chunks right here? These little chunks. See right here? Put them right there. Pick it up. Put it right there. And tell them chocolate chip cookies. Can you look over there and say chocolate chip cookies?
Chocolates.
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 Chip cookies.
Do you want to use the knife?
Yes.
And cut it right there. You want to use that? Cut it right there.
Wow.
There. And now put it over there. Put it right here.
Right.
Right. We'll put it just like that. Okay, can you do another one? Can you cut another one? Look. And then you put another one over there. We just pick them up. Wow. We need to space them, okay?
Yes.
And these are a chocolate chip cookie dough that comes already cut for you. So, oh, good girl. Right there. Oh. Yeah. Now you need to take the dough and put it, space it like that. Good girl. Can you do another one?
Yes.
Do one more of these. Oh, wow. Great job. Can you tell them we'll be right back after we get them all cut out? Can you look over there? Look at Mama. Say, be right back.
You back.
Be right back. Can you say it in Spanish?
Ahorita regresamos.
Ahorita regresamos.
In the button. Okay, okay, we're gonna put the cookies in the oven, aren't we? And what is it? 3,
4.
no, 3, 5,
3, 5,
0.
0.
350
350.
for 20 minutes. Okay, stand right there. Grammie gonna put it in the oven. Hot, hot, okay? Down they go in the oven. Yay! We'll be back. Right?
We'll be back.
We'll be back. What are they? Chocolate cookies, chocolates.
Chocolate cookies.
And there's 24, and we're gonna cool them off up here. And then once we're all cooled, who's gonna have a chocolate day? Isabella, who's gonna have one? See, you?
Say me.
Say me. Look in the camera and say me.
Cookies.
Me.
Okay, we'll be right back. We'll have a
We're
taste test
ready.
for the taste test. Look at these cookies. Aren't they scrumptiously good? Isabella, she's going to be our taste tester. Go ahead, chocolate day.
Okay.
Is it good? Can you say yes? You want another taste? Oh, you giving me a thumbs up? Oh, great, thumbs up. Would you like another taste? Isabella? Would you like another taste? Oh, that was a bigger taste. Well, folks, I guess she likes it. Look how Grammie's gonna go. I'm gonna show them the package. So, if you like these and you need a real quick cookie, right, Isabella? Hold your cookie. Here, you can see all the yummy chocolateness. Can you hold it for Grammie? Hold it right here. Hold it in his hand. And if you need something real quick, it's Pillsbury's chocolate chip cookies. And it's $3.50 for 15 minutes in the oven, and they're pre-cut and the dough's all made, right? So, can you tell everybody bye? Thank you for coming. God bless. We'll see you tomorrow. And how do you say goodbye?
Bye.
And in Spanish?
Bye.
Adios.
Yes.
Adios. Adios. Bye.
Bye.
We'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.